So I welcome you all on Dr. Reena's Physiology, and today we are all going to have a very quick BAQ, and the BAQ is between comparison of your pyramidal and extra pyramidal pathways. This is going to come as your 2 marks BAQ, and so let's get started. So you know that Physiology Synapse to Success is my Telegram group. So please share with your friends because you know that I provide notes over the topics which I take on. Now, the pyramidal and the extra pyramidal, this is the focus and how am I going to write if it comes as a 2 marks BAQ. So first point is that the pyramidals are those that are going to descend through the medullary pyramids, right? So they form the medullary pyramids and they descend through that. The extra pyramidal are those that do not descend through the medullary pyramids. Very, very brief and very clear. Those who are forming the pyramids are the pyramidal. जो उस pyramid को नहीं form करते वो extra pyramidal in the medulla. Now, the pyramidal tracts, obviously they are consisting of the sensory fibers, but when we consider to the motor fibers, they mainly originate from the areas 4 and area 6 of the motor cortex. And remember the giant cells of beads, the giant pyramidal cells, they are contributing to your pyramidal tract. Whereas your extrapyramidal tract originates from area 6, okay? But it originates from various subcortical structures like your red nucleus, vestibular nucleus, olivary nucleus, tectal, and the reticular nucleus. So one important difference was pyramids and extra pyramids में जो pyramid form कर रहे हैं जो pyramid नहीं form कर रहे हैं. Second difference उनका origin. So pyramidal area 4-6, extra pyramidal area 6 and other areas of the cortex जैसे कि vestibular, olivar, reticular and tectal. Pyramidals जो होते हैं, they are mainly under cortical control. That means mainly under the control of the cortex. But जो extra pyramidal है, they are mainly under the control or predominantly under the control of the cerebellum and the basal ganglia. Right? Cerebellum and the basal ganglia. Or pyramidal, mainly cortex control. Now the pyramidal, they are mainly going to help you to perform the skilled voluntary movements of your hands and fingers. So performance of the voluntary and the skilled, that means performing is the pyramidal. But the extra pyramidal, they mainly controls the axial movements. For example, bending, twisting, stretching, spinning, rotating. So yaad rakho ki if there is a dancer, okay, the dancer can perform very well only if there is a suitable platform. Even if you are a dancer and the platform is broken, you cannot dance. So the performance is pyramidal, but the extra pyramidal provides all the background postural adjustments that are needed to perform that activity. Right? So the background or the director of the movement is your extra pyramidal. And remember that the pyramidals are lateral and the anterior corticospinal tracts. Extrapyramidals are your rubrospinal, vestibulospinal, tectospinal, and reticulospinal. So with this, we differentiate in the 4 points with examples, and that concludes your small BAQ, and I hope the understanding is clear now. So God bless you and happy learning.